here at Perfect Day. Okay. Brody and I got up really early to like see us pull in, but I think we were here already. And the wonder of the seas is coming in hot right here. So yeah, we will see that pulling in next to us. Second largest ship in the world. And we're going to the beach club today. So this is pretty cool. Liking it. It's really pretty, the island. Breakfast on our beautiful veranda with this gorgeous view. What are you having this morning, sir? Right. Okay. Okay. We'll come back to you in a moment when your mouth is not full of food. My apologies. We're having avocado toast and smoked salmon. We're getting off the island to go to the Coco Beach Club, and they actually have like a continental breakfast. So Brody didn't really need to get bread because there's more bread at the beach club. He loves his bread. But what a beautiful way to start the day.
All right, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning from day 2.
Coco Cay.
Coco Cay day, perfect day. Brody likes to call it Coco Cay. we're gonna rhyme it. And they are playing the tunes on the island. We are extremely excited to be here. This is our first time over at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Can't wait to get onto the island. Are you excited?
I'm so excited to get to the club.
Leroy says she's excited. Brody, are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Brody said he is excited as well. First time exploring the island. I'll flip the camera around quick so you guys can take a look. We're currently walking on the pier, and we are sharing the day with which ship?
Wonder of the Seas.
Wonder of the Seas is here today. It's a little windy, very choppy. I can't tell you how excited I am for this song right here. Oh no, they're doing a set break. They're not gonna say it. Oh, I love it.
Alright, where we have to go. Hi.
Hey?
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like concierge vibes, and it smells so good. Like the beach smells good. It's gorgeous. And
What time
it's
did we arrive?
Beautiful. 6:30 in the morning, and we got off the ship at 8:05.
Yep. Got off the ship at 8:05. We got one of the last of the
Like loungers.
basically. I don't know if you can see that, but
Look at Brody over there.
Extremely lucky. What's Brody doing?
He's already laying in the pool.
He's already laying in the pool.
This is so pretty.
Yeah.
We have to go make
Gorgeous.
our lunch reservations.
Yep.
Because we're gonna go eat lunch.
Yep.
And yeah, that's the plan right now. Making those reservations, and then we'll do a little tour of the beach club.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's so calm over here compared to where
we walked in.
Yeah, where we walked in.
It was the waves were like
Huge. And then on this side, there's no wind. It's calm. It's beautiful.
There's literally no wind. Like how? Also,
Yeah.
We can go get beach mats, like to be in the water with.
Yep.
But that comes with this, so it's first come first serve. So if Brody wants a beach mat, or we want to like get in the water and lay on a mat, we could do that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The infinity pool is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Those are the overwater cabanas over there.
Yeah, we just showed those. Wow. Yeah, from all of people's videos, we've seen Perfect Day in so many different conditions. We've seen it perfect. We've seen it rainy, windy, cloudy, overcast. Today is literally the best possible day.
The perfect.
Perfect
stole it
day.
Right from my mouth. Good job.
No clouds in the sky. Well, very few clouds in the sky. Slight breeze, but it's beautiful.
I can't wait to eat.
Yes, give me the food. All right, guys, we're coming to you from
The Infinity Pool.
Infinity Pool at the Coco Cay,
Coco Cay.
Beach Club.
We just got some pina coladas, and the gentleman, the bartender, said that it's so nice here since Hideaway Beach opened. It's like far less packed. So, pro tip, if you want a really, really chill day, this is the place to come.
Yeah.
Like, it's incredible.
Yeah.
The vibe is so chill.
I was gonna say the pool is, there's, you know, I mean, there's a few people here and there, but it's not packed. All the chairs in the front by the beach, it's not packed there either.
No.
It's great. It's a very awesome day to relax and just enjoy the club for what it has to offer. And we have lunch coming up in about a half hour.
Yeah.
So
very excited about that.
Yeah.
It's just really pretty here. I think we paid $169.
Yep.
That was on Black Friday. The price has gone up significantly over the past couple years to come here.
Yep.
But I would pay it every time.
Yeah, and you know, obviously that price is going to vary depending upon how early you book. So the sooner the better, because as you get closer to cruise day, it's going to go up or may not be available at all. So highly recommend the Beach Club.
It is limited capacity, but
Yep.
if you do book right away and you see the price come down, you can cancel and rebook, which we did, and we saved over $429. So
Yep.
it was crazy.
Quite a bit of money. So, all right, guys, we're going to get back to relaxing.
We are here at the Beach Club lunch. Got a lot of Mediterranean food.
Looks delicious. Yeah, I can't wait to dive into the appetizers.
Looks so good. What are you gonna have for lunch?
Oh, definitely surf and turf, for sure.
Surf and turf.
Yep.
What are you gonna have for lunch?
Filet mignon.
Perfect.
Yum.
Awesome.
Guys, here is lunch. We all decided to get the surf and turf. It's amazing. It looks amazing. We haven't actually eaten it yet, but appetizers came really quick, and I swear they must just be starting to make all of the food kind of all at once. But we got our steaks done, all medium, and looking forward to dive in. What are your first thoughts?
It smells so good.
Yep.
And then this is Brody's first time trying lobster. He does not try things very well, as we talked about on our Alaskan vlog series, but he's gonna try it. If he doesn't like it, we get it. So it's perfect.
It's a win-win for all of us. So bon appetit.
Here's our desserts. Dinner, lunch was fantastic. We'll talk about that a little later. We've got the brownie, caramel brownie, and we all got that. And then I literally was like, oh, I'm shocked you didn't get the rum cake to Corey. And then all of a sudden this arrived as well. I love a rum cake.
Yeah.
It's like one of my favorites, but I like brownies more. And we don't do dessert at home.
No,
So
we
this is
typically
like,
don't.
oh.
But all the food here has been amazing, so of course, why not try dessert? All right, guys, our day has officially ended at the Coco Beach Club.
At the beautiful Coco Beach
The
Club.
beautiful Coco Beach Club.
What do you think, Rod?
It was crazy. Like, not crazy in a bad way. There were just so many things to do, and I liked it a lot.
Yeah.
The food was amazing.
Yeah, the lunch is amazing.
The pool was just, it was so nice and relaxing.
Yep. Not too busy.
No, after lunch it got a lot busier. Like after 1:30, I would say. It got
Yeah.
busier.
If you want peace and serenity, come as early as possible. 8 a.m. And you'll have that for at least 2 or 3 hours, and then kind of after lunch is really when it picked up. But regardless, it's still a great time. We were able to also get the lounger, like what is that? I don't want to say cabana lounger, but what is?
It's like a big bed, a day
Yeah,
bed.
the day bed. We got the last one, and that was life. So, and if you get here early enough, that could be yours, because there's no reservations for them.
It could be you.
Yeah, there's 6 of them for 2 ships worth of people. So that tells you how rare they are. But we had a great time at the Coco Beach Club.
Okay, so we came over to Chill Island at the Snack Shack over here because we wanted to try the famous chicken sandwich. I hear it's better than Chick-fil-A. Let's see.
What are you doing?
I'm wiping off mayo because I don't like stuff on my sandwiches.
Got it. All right, first thoughts.
It's really good.
It's really good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice, nice. All right, you heard it here first. It's better than Chick-fil-A.
It's good.
But
And the breading's better than Chick-fil-A. It is.
well, there you go, folks.
What do you think? You like it?
Chick-fil-A does better.
Oh,
Chick-fil-A does
let's
it
see.
better.
He loves Chick-fil-A.
There we go.
Hey,
What do you have?
a funnel cake.
Where'd you get that?
The Snack Shack.
Do you like it?
That's really good.
He's never had a funnel cake before.
Never ever tried two new things today. One is better than the other though.
He did not like the lobster, but he loved the funnel cake. Oh, he's leaving. Also a straw market on the island. So a lot of Bohemian vendors and shops, which is really cool. Some Coco Cay gear. Some really cool dresses. I like these. And hats. Hello.
Hey.
It's white night.
Yep.
This is the fit for tonight.
Fit for tonight.
I'm about to head out for dinner and a show. And it is beautiful. It's a beautiful night out right now. From our beautiful balcony.
I love hearing the ocean waves crashing into the ship.
So nice.
Yeah. Beautiful outside today. Gorgeous day.
Love it. You guys look so nice.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright. Let's go.
Dinner time.
So tonight for dinner, I had the arancini for my appetizer. It was okay, nothing compared to Jamie's.
And I went with the beef carpaccio, which I definitely enjoyed.
And Brody had his meal right away, which was his traditional steak.
We both ended up getting the minestrone soup. I believe we both enjoyed it as well.
It was really good. I liked it a lot. And then for dinner, I ended up going with the mushroom risotto, and I absolutely loved it. It was my favorite dish of the whole trip.
I also went the mushroom risotto with a side of chicken and gravy. Was not my favorite. I thought it lacked a lot of flavor.
Oh, I love the flavor of it.
For dessert, I went with the apple crisp and a side of vanilla ice cream, which you will see as a theme this entire cruise, and also a side of tiramisu.
And I got the sugar coffee mousse. It was not great. After dinner, we headed to the show.
And what show did we see?
We saw Showgirls.
Showgirls. I thought it was amazing.
It was really good, and it was very child-friendly, so don't let the name scare you. They did great music, had great choreography. It was just a really good show.
Yeah, I thought the music was wonderful. Obviously, a lot of great hits that are out right now or have been in the past. So if you like good music, definitely go check out the show.
And then after the show, we just got some Sorrento's pizza and headed back to our room for the night.
Yep, that's it.
this is our towel.
What is it, a turkey?
Or what are those like weird animals that like show off or whatever?
A peacock?
Yeah.
Oh, it could be a peacock. Or a swan. Oh, it has a little butt. It really does.
Going to the gym.
Oh, it's cute. Yay. It's pretty. Pretty little art.
Oh, yeah, I gotta show you a funny painting I found.
All right, day 2.
Day
We
two.
went to Coco Cay Beach Club, and it was a great day.
Fantastic. The beach club was amazing.
It was so relaxing.
So worth
so
the money.
calm,
Yep.
So worth the money.
And it was much quieter than I guess it has been since the Hideaway adults only area opened.
Yeah.
So the beach club itself, you know, it is a lot more pricey than going to the Hideaway and other areas on Castaway, or not Castaway.
Oh my god.
I always do that.
Coco Cay.
Coco Cay, sorry. Disney cruisers here. But I think it was worth it. And I would do it again.
1000% worth it. Brody, what was your favorite part of the beach club?
Lunch?
Nah.
Swimming?
Yeah, my favorite part was like the swimming. I also like the serenity of it, kind of like there was nobody else there, and there was like people there, but you know, compared to the free version of CocoCay, where there's a kid every like square foot, you know, it was a lot better.
A lot more serene. I would agree with that.
Yeah, I liked the infinity pool.
Yeah.
It was just so nice. I didn't even feel the need to have to get in the ocean.
Day beds too.
The day bed, yeah. It was just great.
Yeah, overall it was a
Loved
great
it.
experience. If we decide to cruise Royal again and they go to Coco Cay, we will be at the beach club.
And dinner tonight was great. I had mushroom risotto.
Yeah.
So good. And our servers really upped their game. We were in and out in an hour.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely loved it.
Loved it. All right. Well, Brody has left us.
Time to eat some
We're gonna eat
late
some
night
pizza.
snacks.
And I think Brody and I are going to go play some shuffleboard. All right. Bye.
Bye.
See you guys tomorrow for day at sea.
Like and subscribe.